If you want to learn English conversation, it helps to know the common English phrases that native speakers use to answer questions. Here are 20 of the most common questions in English, each one with 5 sample answers.
What do you do?
This question means, what is your job or profession?
I'm a student.
I work in a bank.
I'm unemployed at the moment.
I run my own business.
I'm retired now. I used to be an engineer.
Why are you studying English?
For work. So I can communicate when I travel.
I love learning new languages.
Because I'd like to immigrate to the US.
I'm thinking of studying in England.
Where? How did you learn English?
I took classes for 3 years.
I did an intensive course.
I've been studying on my own.
I picked it up from movies and songs.
My teacher taught me.
What do you do in your free time?
I don't have any free time.
I usually hang out with friends.
I go running a lot.
I do volunteer work.
I like reading and relaxing at home.
What's the weather like?
Hot and humid.
It's pouring. Take an umbrella.
A little chilly. You might want to bring a jacket.
Gorgeous. A perfect summer day.
It's quite cold. Make sure to bundle up.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
It's 4:30.
It's 11:45.
Let me check my watch. Sorry, I don't know.
Can I help you? Do you need any help?
This is a question that you might hear from an employee or salesperson in a store.
No, thanks. I'm just browsing.
Yes, do you have this in a larger size?
Yes. Where are the try-on rooms?
Yeah, can you tell me how much this is?
Yeah, I'm looking for something under $30.
How's it going?
Great, couldn't be better.
Fine. How are things with you?
Not bad.
I can't complain.
Do you really want to know?
How are you feeling?
Great. Never better.
I'm all right.
Like I need a vacation.
A little depressed.
Really awful.
You can say you're feeling awful for both physical and emotional pain.
How was your day?
Really good.
Pretty uneventful.
This means that nothing particularly special or interesting happened during the day.
Very productive.
Super busy.
A total nightmare.
A nightmare is a terrible, scary dream. Describing an experience as a nightmare means it was horrible.
Did you like the movie?
It was fantastic.
It was terrible.
It wasn't bad.
It's one of the best I've ever seen.
No, I didn't think it lived up to the hype.
This means the movie was not as good as its publicity presented.
How was the party?
Crazy. It was absolutely packed.
Packed means it was crowded. There were very many people there.
It was a good time.
Small, but fun.
There was hardly anybody there.
Boring. I couldn't wait to get out of there.
Can you give me a hand?
This means, can you help me? Often with a physical task like moving furniture or carrying a box.
Of course.
I'd be glad to.
Will it take long?
Sure. Just a sec.
This means just a second. You need the other person to wait one moment before you can help them.
Sorry, I'm a bit busy at the moment.
What have you been up to lately?
This question means, what have you been doing recently? You can answer it in the present perfect continuous.
I've been working a lot.
Mostly studying.
I've been taking it easy.
This means relaxing, not doing anything intense or stressful.
Planning my summer vacation.
Nothing much.
What's the matter?
This means, what's the problem? You can ask it to someone who appears sad or upset.
Oh, I'm just having a rough day.
This means relaxing, not doing anything intense or stressful.
I'm not feeling so good.
I just found out my mother's in the hospital.
I'd rather not talk about it.
This means, I'd prefer not to talk about it.
Nothing. I'm fine.
What would you like to drink?
Iced tea, please.
Just water for me.
What do you have?
Could we see the wine list?
Nothing for me, thanks.
Are you ready to order?
To order means to ask the waiter or waitress for the food you want to eat.
Not quite. I think we need a little more time.
What are the specials today?
Specials are featured dishes that might also have a discount.
Yes, I'll have a Caesar salad and then the baked chicken with potatoes.
Aha. To start off, we'll split an order of nachos.
To start off means you are ordering an appetizer, small amount of food eaten before the main meal. Split means that 2 or more people will share or divide one order of food.
Is everything okay?
While you are eating, the waiter or waitress will often come to your table and ask this question to check if you need anything.
Yes, everything's fine, thanks.
It's all delicious.
Could we have some more water, please?
Actually, I'm still waiting for my side dish.
A side dish is a small portion of food that accompanies the main meal.
To be honest, my food is kinda cold. Could you heat it up?
To be honest, is a diplomatic way to introduce a complaint or negative comment.
Can I get you anything else?
The waiter or waitress will probably ask you this after you have finished eating.
2 decaf coffees, please.
Decaf coffee is coffee with no caffeine.
Just the check, please.
The check is the list of items and the total price to pay.
Could I have a look at the dessert menu?
I'll have a slice of apple pie.
A slice is a single piece of a pie, cake, or pizza.
No thanks. I think we're just about done.